Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to subscribe to a YouTube channel on your iPhone. Now first, we should talk about why you would want to do this in the first place. Probably if you're watching this video, you are not young, because if you were young, you wouldn't need to watch this video. So let me explain why you would want to do this anyway. You notice I've got a little YouTube button there on the middle of my screen, and when I open it up, what you will see is my YouTube app opened up, and I've got all of these subscriptions to a bunch of different YouTube channels that I like to follow. If you look at the bottom menu, I can see my little subscriptions button right in the middle at the bottom. When I click on that, it's going to show everything that I've subscribed to. Think of a subscription, old people, as a magazine subscription back in the 1950s. You subscribed to a magazine and you waited for it to come in the mail, and then when it came you got to leaf through that magazine and you really enjoyed it. Well, you don't need that anymore, because now you can subscribe to YouTube channels. Most of them are totally free, and you can subscribe to your grandkids' channels or to those news channels that you really like. There are all kinds of channels that you can search and subscribe to. And that's what we're talking about in this video. And once you do, you're going to see all those channels in your links at the top, just like mine right here. So these are the channels that I've subscribed to. If I click on all, you notice that I've subscribed to all of these channels right here. So anytime I subscribe to a channel, it makes it really easy for me to find new videos that channel has uploaded, and I can enjoy watching those videos. So that's why you would want to subscribe to a YouTube channel. If you can see value in that, then continue to watch this video, because now I'm going to show you how to do it. So the way to do it is, first of all, you need to go to the App Store. So on your iPhone, search for where the App Store is, and I'm looking for mine right now. And there it is in the bottom left corner. I'm going to go to the App Store, and once I get there, I'm going to search for the YouTube app. So the first thing you need to do is click on search, and you can type in YouTube, and you're looking for the YouTube app, and you'll notice when it comes up, I already have the YouTube app, and that's why it's telling me that I can update it. But if you don't have the app, you can click on the button that says Get. So for you, if you don't have the app already, then where my button says Update, your button will probably say Get. And when you click on that, then it will download the YouTube app for you. Now, notice that you're going to have a Gmail account in order to subscribe to YouTube channels. But once you do that, once you get the YouTube app and you log in with a Gmail account, now when you open up the app, I'm going to go back to my app now, and I find a channel that I want. Let's just pick one for fun. Let's say I'm going to look for a news app. I'm going to search for a news app. So I hit the little search bar and I search for a news, or not a news app, but a news channel. Let's say that I want to subscribe to the Fox News channel, right? You see that subscribe button? I can click on that right now. And there's another channel right there, BBC News. I can subscribe to it. So let's just go ahead and subscribe to the Fox News one for now. So I click on subscribe, and it says that I can tap the bell to get notified. So you can tap that bell every time Fox News uploads a new video. If you tap that bell, your phone will notify you that there's a new video. Now, you might want this or you might not want this. In this case, I don't want this, because I would get notifications all the time, and I don't want that from Fox News. So I'm not going to tap the bell, but it is one of my subscriptions now. So notice if you click down in the bottom, I've got my home, my trending, and my subscriptions. You notice that Fox News is now in my subscriptions. Now I can click on that and I can see everything from Fox News because I'm subscribed to it. If there's a channel that you want to unsubscribe from, you can, let's see, where can we find that? Let me try to find that for you. You know what? I'll do that in another video. This video was just all about subscribing to channels. So I hope that helps. On your iPhone, that's how you do it. If you like this video, make sure to hit that little thumbs up button and like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.